Easy laundry tips for overnight guests. Most of the time we know when guests will be arriving. Do your best to plan ahead and get bed linens ready. Make sure that all the sheets are changed and that blankets, pillows and bed coverings are as clean as possible. If the sheets aren't really clean, there will be unpleasant odors and stains for your guests. If your home is not already pet-friendly, there are some things you should consider to make your home safe for the visiting animal and to protect your bedding and furniture from stains when they arrive. If your overnight guests are family or really good friends, ask them to help you make beds when they arrive and change sheets at the end of their visit. Most will be very happy to help. This is particularly important if you are having back-to-back guests. You've provided each guest with a set or two of clean towels. These can be placed in bathrooms or on the guest's bed. To reduce the number of towels that must be washed during the visit, assign each guest a specific color of towels. The easiest way to avoid having to wash extra table linens is to use paper products. But, if that just doesn't suit your style, assign each guest a specific napkin ring. That way, cloth napkins can be used for more than one meal. If guests are staying more than a day or so, they may need some clean clothes and need to do laundry, so your laundry room should be ready. Do a quick checklist. If grandchildren are visiting, it's the perfect time to teach them to do laundry. Most grandparents have a bit more patience and, perhaps, experience with laundry than parents when teaching a preteen or teenager how to do laundry. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.